tried, all the years that I've wasted trying to find it, all that I go through, my peace of mind, let it all.
In every color, resting your head in my arms, you sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love.
They are friends.
Can't take my eyes up, can't take my eyes up, can't take my eyes up, can't take my eyes up. Motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right.
Caroline, I think about you all the time, like you're a friend of mine. Screen lights up when you come online. You ain't looking for a savior. Yeah, you know what you feel. Show me all your good behavior. So everywhere allowed, so that's good. It's fun to pretend, and we probably should. When I get up, lights come on, so take a good look. Soon I'll be gone. Take a minute.
Hey, hey, I just wanna say you are my new crave.
Spend a little time with me.
Slide no better.
You want me to draw with my sister? Let's draw. So I sketched first just to give her some ideas, and then I completely let her do her own thing. So my sister and I are very different. She has a very analytical brain, and I'm like a full-on creative, and she's never used markers before, so this was very new to her. So y'all better be nice. After she finished, I really tried to follow in her same league and try to keep up with the same vibe and colors and everything, which seemed to go pretty well at first, but you can tell in the cross-section that two different artists made it. But in terms of collabing with a non-artist, don't think it turned out half bad.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole lot, a light that died the night. You and I, we got our differences, yeah. I thought we
It was so fun. This is your sign to grab your partner and do it. Literally.
I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go.
Can't take my eyes up, can't take my eyes up, can't take my eyes up, can't take my eyes up. Motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I free to you? We almost touch. I feel your body.
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold slaughter. She was from where I started working at the time. Says it's on the mind. Took out the lessons, but she's telling me, won't you down, leave you there, make you scared. It's a long thing through.
Something strange with this filter and my art.
Wiggle, wiggle, for sure, and make you want to dribble, dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat. You
It
really have to
doesn't
see
work
it.
with this
6
one?
feet 2 in a compact. No slack.
How?
You need to go back and got it.
This will do. Put on my pinner hat. Oui, spaghetti. Let's do some art. What do you paint, artist Steven? I paint dinosaurs. Ah! It is complete. Look at them. How cute it is. This belongs in the museum.
Just remember what I say. Just remember what I say.
That note Millhouse gave you? It wasn't from him. It was from me.
You? Why would you like me? No girls like me.
I don't know why I like you. I just do. So,
Intuition test. What color am I using? Three, 2, 1. Green.
Let it all.
Baby, see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize.
How to make a graffiti tag. Write out an alphabet but keep it basic. Choose 4 or 5 of your best letters. Make a real word with them. You can develop the letters a bit, but again keep it simple.
We gon' get it, we gon' get it, we gon' get it on. We gon' get it, we gon'